Hey there, savvy sellers and foot pick fanatics. Are you ready to turn those tootsies into treasure? Well, today we're stepping into the world of the most popular feet picks that rake in the cash. We're talking about the cream of the crop that customers just can't resist. So whether you're new to the feet scene or looking to spice up your portfolio, you are in the right place. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay on top of all things feet selling. You ready? Let's jump right in. First up, let's arch those expectations with gorgeous arches. The arch of your foot can be a gold mine. Position yourself so your soles face the camera, then point those toes to really define that curve. The higher the arch, the better, okay? Customers love that defined bend that just beckons to be admired. Here's a tip too. Use a soft rug or a cushion to help support your foot in the perfect position for that killer shot. Okay, so next, let's play a little game of toes tease. It's all about giving just a hint of what's to come. Curl your toes under slightly or show off that toe cleavage. And nothing says, look at me, like a fresh coat of bright nail polish. Red is always a showstopper. This shot is flirty, fun, and always in demand. Grab some vibrant polish, maybe add a ring or two, and let your little piggies do the flirting. Now it's time to scrunch things up with seductive scrunches. This pose is all about highlighting the wrinkles and contours of your soles by scrunching up your toes and flexing those arches. It's playful, it's inviting, and oh, it's so touchable. Customers love the texture and depth that this pose brings to the table, or should I say, to the screen. Are you feeling a bit adventurous? Some folks love a walk on the wild side with dirt and debris. This niche market goes crazy for pics of soles that have seen some action. Think sand, mud, or grass. It's raw, it's real, and it tells a story. Just take a walk outside, find a natural setting, and snap a pic. Remember, authenticity sells. And lastly, let's not forget about customized shots. These are your high-end, tailored to pleasure pics. Think specific angles for those high arched feet, close-ups on long toes, or side views for wider feet. The key here is detail. Get creative with angles and props and show off those unique features that make your feet stand out. There you have it, your guide to the most popular feet pics that sell like hotcakes on FeetFinder. Are you ready to start capturing and selling? Go ahead over to FeetFinder, get verified, and join the ranks of successful sellers making money off of their feet pics. The platform handles all of the heavy lifting, from marketing to secure payment, so that way you can focus on creating the most stunning content. Don't forget to check out more tips and tricks right here on our channel. Subscribe and turn on your notifications. You won't want to miss out. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or want to share your specific foot pick journey, please leave a comment down below. We love seeing your success stories and hearing what you guys go through on a day-to-day basis. Share this video with anyone you think may be interested, and let's keep growing this amazing community. Keep those cameras clicking and your creativity flowing. See you next time for more exciting content.